Miss James,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
This girl here don't want to take care of her kids. I've been had her kids forever.
When you say forever, what's forever?
I've been basically the 4-year-old been with me since he was a baby, and now the 2-year-old, I got her little tail when she was 5 months. She's 2 now. She don't want to take care of them. She don't want to stop by when they want to see her. I did her a favor, let her go do some work and do these old hussies' hair. She want to follow and live the good life while I have her kids. So I need her to pay up. I need some help.
When family turns to the courtroom, you know the drama runs deep. Meet Miss James, the aunt who says she's been raising not 1, but 2 of her niece's kids. For years, the mother allegedly out chasing the good life while her children are left behind. And now, Miss James wants help and justice. But is there more to this story than she's telling? Keep watching, because this family feud is only getting started.
I definitely agree you need some help. Well, what's the issue? Your kids have pretty much been with your aunt their entire lives.
Semi-aunt. I don't even know if she really my brother's child.
There she goes again.
Ooh,
I
okay.
provide for my kids. I travel for my work, and I have to do hair, make appointments. You know, I'm
Wait a
busy.
minute. Start over with what you were saying. I was too busy trying to drink this tea with what she just said about her brother.
Yeah, she likes to play that card, but we know.
Girl.
I'm listening now.
But I'm a hairstylist. I do hair.
Your
you
hair is
know.
pretty.
Thank you.
The courtroom gasps when the mother questions whether Miss James is even her real aunt. With tension brewing, the judge digs in, but the mom dodges with charm and compliments, shifting the focus to her job as a hairstylist. But is it all a deflection from her parenting duties? Stay tuned, because the tea is just starting to spill.
I do wigs, lace fronts, all of that. So when people
So
call
you
me,
have the money to pay for these kids, you're just choosing not to. That's essentially what you just said, right?
no, so I pay for these kids. Like I bring them food.
She
I bring
brings them
clothes.
McDonald's, a Happy Meal. Maybe
Every kid love a Happy Meal.
no
Well-
clothes, no shoes,
You
I
know,
bring
no-
clothes and
a
shoes.
Happy
Granimal
Meal,
sandals.
If they're with her all of the time, a Happy Meal, ma'am, is insufficient.
Well, when I come, I bring them whatever they
When
like.
you
when
come,
they like
how
McDonald's.
often do you go over there?
Tell the
A
truth.
couple times a month.
How many?
Depending on my schedules.
She says she brings food like McDonald's, but no clothes, no shoes, no real support. A Happy Meal here, a drive-by visit there. The judge isn't buying it, and neither is Miss James. When basic parenting is treated like a part-time job, someone has to step up. But who really has the kid's best interest at heart? Stick around, it's about to get heated.
Kids are priority. These little strippers' hair can wait. See, that's your problem.
So you doing strippers' hair?
Well, they pay more. You know, they make that big money, so I got to get my coins.
I mean, they do get paid.
And she
You
probably
know-
doing something strange for a piece of change too.
Oh, okay.
No, that's not my business. But I definitely will lay some edges, lay some hair. Yes.
Okay.
Honey,
yeah, your
don't-
edges are laid. They really are.
Girl,
They
that's
are.
a Jerry curl. Don't let the makeup, the little MAC makeup fool you. Because behind all that,
Y'all get along, do you?
No, we don't. Since she
Oh.
was a little girl, she's
But
been.
wait a minute. You all don't get along, but you trust her enough to have your kid. I'm not about to play with you.
Priorities misplaced. She's out styling strippers, chasing dollars and laying edges while someone else raises her children. The courtroom erupts with side eyes and sarcasm as the judge questions her lifestyle choices. And if they don't trust each other, why is she leaving her kids with her? Something doesn't add up, and the truth is curling up fast.
I'm not about to play with you.
That's because nobody else fooled with her. I'm the only
Where's
one.
the daddy?
Oh, I don't know. He in them streets.
Oh, it sounds like you are too.
No, I'm in the streets to make them coins, to get that money,
Oh.
lay that hair.
Oh, okay. Well, let me go ahead and lay some numbers for you. How much money you make a year?
About 60,000.
60,000? Okay. Who did this tax return you gave me? Somebody from the streets?
Somebody I met through a friend. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Shaniqua.
Oh, okay. Well, they have your income at 65,000.
She says she's just trying to make money, but the judge sees through the excuses. Where's the father? Nowhere to be found. Tax returns from the streets. Suspicious. When the numbers don't match the lifestyle, the court gets skeptical, and the judge is ready to crunch more than just numbers. Buckle up, the financial reckoning is here.
So is that true?
It's around there.
We're going to use that
65,000.
number. We're going to use that number instead of that 60,000 that you just gave me because you came in here to waste my time and play these games, and I'm not about to play with you.
Miss Vonda,
Yes, ma'am.
her kids' hair need done.
And but she said her edges, she lay edges.
You see
but
how cute her hair look? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You think she comes and buys barrettes and everything comes out of my pocket. I keep those babies looking good. She never put a finger in there, but she want to run around and put her little fingers in these other little helpers' head.
You know what? You know better, or at least you should. You should know better.
The numbers don't lie, even if the stories do. Her claimed $60,000 jumps to $65,000, and the judge isn't playing games. While the mother flaunts her glam, the aunt breaks down how she's funding everything: hair, clothes, and care. But the mother's hands? Only in hair, not in raising her own children. And now, the court's about to hand her a bill she won't forget.
And I'm not looking for a response right now because as cute as your hair is, that attitude is not looking real good. So let's go ahead and make sure your aunt gets some money for these kids, okay? So at this $65,000 a year, that brings your gross to about $5,400. Your net is $4,383.27. What about health insurance?
Medicaid.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're really about to pay today because Medicaid has to be reimbursed to the state, right? Well, you just found out something today. I'm so glad that you are ready to learn something because you are about to learn today, okay?
The glam stops here. The court calculates the cost of neglect, and it's not cheap. With Medicaid reimbursement, child support, and reality checks flying fast, the mother starts realizing this courtroom isn't playing, and neither is the judge. She came for drama, but she's leaving with debt. Stay tuned. The final numbers are brutal.
So, child support calculation, 2 kids, only 2 kids. Well, I know it's 2 kids that you have, but do you have any other kids?
No, just the 2.
Okay. So,
What?
yes, ma'am.
Well, I did get can I confirm something? You not pregnant?
No, not that I know of.
Oh, you didn't say that very
Yeah.
confidently.
I'll probably end up with that one too.
Okay, well, moving right along. Child support is $1,096. Plus, we need to reimburse that Medicaid, like I told you. So we take that $5,400, do 9% of that. That comes out to $486. $486 plus the $1,096. That bring your child support obligation to $1,582 per month.
$1,582 a month. That's the number, and it hits hard. As the mother stumbles through a pregnancy question and dodges commitment, the judge lays it out. The law doesn't care about excuses, just facts, just dollars, and just 2 kids for now. But is the damage already done? The judgment is here, and so is accountability.
I'm sorry, you said 1,000 what?
$1,582. Anything else?
For 2 kids?
Girl.
Yeah.
$1,500 a month?
Do you know how much I pay to take care of your kids? More than that. That is only a pinch of what I pay to take care of your kids monthly.
Well, I have to agree with her. I normally don't allow people to talk out of turn, but, she's absolutely correct.
Okay.
It doesn't put a dent in anything that she does, especially when you're talking about feeding 2 children.
I
So,
feed them.
Yeah, sure you do. Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further?
No, but she can bring by some McDonald's today.
Okay. Well, take some McDonald's over there, and if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The mother gasps. $1,582 every month. But Miss James, she knows the cost of raising children, and it's far more than just money. The judge agrees. This isn't a win, it's a wake-up call. Because raising children isn't optional, it's responsibility. If you felt that verdict, drop a like, comment what you would have done, and hit subscribe for more raw courtroom truths. Family isn't always blood, and sometimes justice looks like tough love.